Hello everyone. Welcome to episode 4 of English Step by Step. I am Adam. I am so happy to share this time with you. In our last episode, we talked about our daily routine. We learned words for waking up, working, and sleeping. But where do these things happen? They happen at home. Today, we are going inside the house. We will learn the names of the rooms and the objects we use every day. This is very important because your home is where you spend most of your time. Let's start with a small game. Close your eyes. Imagine you are standing in front of your house or your apartment. You open the door. What is the first room you see? Usually, it is the living room. Repeat after me. Living room. In the living room, we have a sofa. We have a television. And maybe a coffee table. Now, let's practice a sentence. Repeat after me. I relax on the sofa in the living room. Very good. Now, let's move to the most delicious part of the house, the kitchen. Repeat after me. Kitchen. In the kitchen, we have a fridge to keep food cold. We have a stove to cook food. And we have a sink to wash our hands. Let's try a challenge. I will ask you a question, and you answer out loud. Where do you cook dinner? That's right. You cook dinner in the kitchen. Now, let's go to the bedroom. This is the place for rest. Repeat after me. Bedroom. In the bedroom, I have a bed. I have a pillow for my head. And I have a wardrobe for my clothes. Think about your bedroom. What color is your bed? Say it in English. For example, my bed is blue. Next is the bathroom. Listen and repeat. Bathroom. In the bathroom, I have a mirror. I have a shower. And I have a towel. Now, let's learn how to describe where an object is. We use words like on, under, and next to. These are very small but very powerful words. Listen and repeat. The phone is on the table. The shoes are under the bed. The fridge is next to the door. Perfect. You are doing a great job. Using these small words makes your English sound much better. Here is my special tip for today. To learn these words, you can play a game. Walk through your house right now. Touch an object and say its name in English. Touch your bed and say, bed. Touch your window and say, window. If you don't know the word, don't worry. Take your phone, look for the translation, and then say it 3 times. Your house is the best classroom in the world. Many people ask me, Adam, how can I remember so many words? My answer is simple: don't try to remember everything today. Today, just remember 5 objects. Tomorrow, 5 more. Step by step. Remember, learning English is not a race. It is a journey. And in this journey, you are the pilot. I am just here to show you the map. Your homework for episode 4 is this: look around the room you are in right now. Find 3 objects and write them in the comments. For example, I see a chair, a lamp, and a book. I want to see what is in your house. Thank you for listening to me today. I am so proud of your progress. Every minute you listen to this podcast, you are becoming a better English speaker. I am Adam. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.